Please use an API. Sometimes it just gives you an empty function. So there we go. So I just created a function in about 2 seconds. I would have had to normally go on Stack Overflow, research it. Instead, it gives me this function. It does a GET request. It finds all the words. It returns them. It's chatting. Create comments so everyone knows what it does. There we go. Now it adds comments. You know what I want? Write me 10 unit tests for this function.
Mike, is it worth explaining the sort of code interpreter bit, or is that coming up later?
Oh, yeah.
When you take code and run code without having to understand what it's doing.
Yeah, I think I cover it a little bit later. But yeah, the idea is, I mean, we just created a function, we commented it, we added unit tests, and I did it in, 30 seconds in front of all of you.
Mike, so, what does this do to technology teams at organizations?
If used properly, it should 2x your teams at least, right? I used to spend all this time, those unit tests, let me show you those. These unit tests that you see up top, and it created it in a different file, I mean, that would have taken me probably about 2 hours to write, right? So 2 hours took me 15 seconds, right? So the point is, this came out, Copilot Chat really saw its debut in January of last year, about a year ago. And for me, I was like, this is a game changer. Like, every developer should be all over this because this fundamentally changes our job.